Hi, Zach. I pulled up my 401k statement. I noticed I'm invested in some bond funds, but I'm concerned about the volatility of those funds. Can you help me understand how a bond price moves with interest rates? Sure, Ted. So a bond is an IOU. You loaned money to the bond fund who then invested in corporations or the government. And then for that, they get interest back and then their principal, what they gave them at the end of the maturity of that bond. Now the bond pays interest, which is called a coupon payment. The smaller that interest payment is, the more the bond's going to fluctuate with changes in interest rate. And the reason that is because you're getting less back of your money each coupon payment. So therefore, more of your money's still at risk and the price is going to fluctuate. A second factor is the length to maturity, how long that bond is. If you loan the money out for 10 years or 20 years, the longer you loan that money out, it's at risk longer. So the longer the maturity, the more the price is going to fluctuate with changing interest rates. Another factor that can affect the bond price volatility is the ratings of the companies that the money's invested with. So for instance, there's rating companies called Moody's and S&P that rate bonds, and say a AAA bond is the best rating. So those would tend to move a little bit less than lower rated investment grade type bonds. And the last thing to note with bonds is the price moves inversely to interest rates. So if interest rates are decreasing, bond prices will tend to increase. And if interest rates are decreasing, bond prices tend to increase. And the last thing I'd look at is go to your 401k, look at the bond fund you're invested in, and pull their prospectus. That's going to tell you what they invest in, what grade bonds they invest in, and that'll give you a better idea of what you have in your portfolio. Thanks, Zach. I'm going to go pull that prospectus on that bond fund, get a little better idea of just exactly what I'm investing in. That's why I follow Zach's Financial Chat.